Thinking about moving to the UAE long term? Let's break down two popular ways to get the UAE Golden Visa, the bank deposit route versus property purchase route. Which one suits you best? Let's find out. The UAE Golden Visa offers a 10-year renewable residency for investors, professionals, and their families, with no local sponsor needed. With the bank deposit route, you invest 2 million AED in a fixed deposit account at a UAE accredited bank. Steps include: open the account, deposit 2 million AED, get a confirmation letter from the bank, apply online through UAE's smart portal, complete medical and biometrics in the UAE, and get your 10-year Emirates ID. Withdraw the money before 2 years, and your visa is cancelled. After 2 years, you can access your funds and still keep the visa for the rest of the term. Prefer real estate? Buy property worth AED 2 million or more, and you qualify. It can be one property or multiple, even mortgaged or off-plan, as long as you've paid AED 2 million at the time of applying. Sell it too soon, and the visa is gone. Hold it for at least 2 years, and then you're more flexible. Both routes let you sponsor your spouse and kids for their own 10-year golden visas. In Dubai, you can even sponsor your parents under certain conditions. Government fees are modest, but if you use an agency or PRO, expect a full service cost on your case and number of family members. So, bank deposit for financial flexibility or property purchase for real estate investment. Either way, the UAE Golden Visa offers long-term stability, family security, and a home in one of the world's fastest growing hubs. Ready to start your journey? Drop your questions below and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe FintEdu for more UAE tax and compliance videos.